Use color-coded cloths and a strict handling routine to stop cross-contamination in restrooms. Assign a color to each surface type and make the mapping obvious by labels and placement. For example, use red for toilets, blue for sinks and counters, and green for mirrors, and keep a small laminated chart near the supply area so everyone can check quickly. Store clean cloths for each color in separate sealed bins or hooks and supply single-use dispensers when possible to avoid touching multiple items. After each cleaning task, place used cloths into dedicated, clearly marked laundry pouches or bins that are different by color from the clean storage, and wash cloths after every single shift using the hottest temperature safe for the fabric with a detergent and a sanitizer or an approved disinfectant additive. Train staff with short drills that include a step-by-step walkthrough. Pick correct color, perform surface-specific technique, bag immediately, wash, and rotate stocks so cloths retire before they thin out. Use microfiber for most applications because it picks up soils and microbes mechanically. If a chemical disinfectant is specified, check compatibility charts so you do not degrade the fiber and lose efficacy. Keep a small checklist at each restroom and require initials after task completion so there is accountability and an auditable trail. Common mistakes start with mixing colors or leaving ambiguous storage where someone might grab the wrong cloth. Solve this by using labeled compartments and consistent placement so the brain forms a habit. People often skip laundering after every use because it seems inefficient. Fix that by having enough spare sets in rotation and using industrial or household machines on hot cycles to make daily laundering feasible. Another frequent issue is cross-contamination during transport when dirty cloths are carried with clean ones. Prevent that by using separate sealed bags or bins and placing dirty containers on different carts or lower shelves so they never touch the clean supplies. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home maintenance topics like restroom hygiene and color coding best practices. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where users share real-world tips and ask questions.